After cleaning, the seeds are crushed using roller mills to break their structure and facilitate oil extraction. The crushed material is then conditioned and flaked by flaking rolls. The next stage is mechanical pressing, where screw presses extract the majority of the oil from the flakes. This process leaves behind a solid residue known as cake, which can be further processed or used as animal feed. For higher oil use, some production lines incorporate solvent extraction systems, typically using hexane. Finally, the crude oil obtained from pressing and extraction undergoes refining processes, including deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. These steps ensure that the final product meets quality standards for consumption. Throughout the entire process, various auxiliary systems like conveying, storage. This comprehensive setup ensures that cottonseed oil is produced efficiently, sustainably, and at a high standard of quality.